What's up, everyone? I'm Steve Warner.
And I'm Bill Watson.
And we are Alair Homes Gold Canyon. Today we are showcasing a beautiful custom home here in Superstition Mountain Golf and Country Club in Petroglyph Estates. Bill, why don't you tell us a little bit about this one?
Yeah, this is a just finished 3-bedroom with a great office and a gym. And this is just over 4,000 square foot.
Well, let's have a closer look.
Let's do it. Hey, thank you very much for going through this beautiful home with us, Steve.
Yeah, it was a great one. Thanks for watching. If you want to reach out to us anytime, we'd be happy to talk to you. And until next time, every day's a new day. Let's make it an awesome one.